I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're going to learn how to play a new song using the F major pentascale, Cuckoo. I'll play Cuckoo for you, then we'll learn how to play it. Let's take a look at the music to Cuckoo. Tell me what you notice. Do you see anything you recognize? What do you see here? That's right, it's a treble clef. Can you find a time signature? Point to a time signature. If you're pointing right here, you're correct. The time signature of Cuckoo is 3/4. The top number tells us that there'll be 3 beats in every measure. The 4 on the bottom means a quarter note equals 1 beat. Can you find any bar lines? Point to a bar line. If you're pointing here, or here, or here, or any of those lines, then you're correct. There are lots of bar lines in Cuckoo. At the end of the song, you'll find a double bar line. One thin regular bar line followed by a thick bar line means the song is over. It's called a double bar line. Let's practice the rhythm of the first line. Remember that in music, the beats are usually invisible. I'm going to draw in the beats for measure 1. Remember that even a rest gets a beat. If you notice that this quarter note is upside down, that's no problem. Whenever a note head goes above the middle line of the staff, which is line number 3, the stem goes down. You can almost imagine like the stems are afraid of heights. And so when they get sticking up too high, it just flips upside down. So the rhythm of this first measure, since we're in 3/4 time, we only have room for 3 beats before we get to a bar line. So here's beat 1, here's beat 2, and beat 3 is a rest. So if we were going to clap that rhythm, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and on beat 3, there'll be silence, and you can just open your hands. But go ahead and say 3 out loud, so you remember that there is a beat there, but there won't be a sound. Can you clap the rhythm of the first measure with me? And say the beat out loud. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Good work. Now, I could draw the beats for the rest of this line, but again, remember that in music they're usually invisible, so we'll just imagine them. We have the same rhythm in this measure, another bar line. Then we have 3 quarter notes in this measure, another bar line. Now over here we have a half note. Can you tell me how many beats a half note gets? If you said 2 beats, you're correct. Let's draw the beats in for this measure as well. The half note gets 1 beat plus 1 more beat. Had to make it skinny because I was running out of room. And then this rest gets beat 3. So we have 1, 2. You'll notice during beat 2 it looks like nothing's happening. But remember, this note is still continuing through that beat. The sound keeps on going, and then on beat 3, there'll be silence for the rest. So when you clap this rhythm, just keep your hands together during beat 2, and then open your hands on beat 3 to show the silence. Now we're going to try clapping the rhythm of the whole first line while we say the beat out loud. Clap the rhythm and count the beat with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now this time you do it by yourself. I won't clap this time. I'll just point to where we are in the music and you do the clapping and counting. I'll count with you, but you're clapping on your own. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try the rhythm of this second line of music. Take a look at it. Can you find any half notes? Point to a half note. If you're pointing here or here, you're correct. Now, let's clap the rhythm and count the beat together. We'll start on beat 1. Ready, clap and count. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now you clap on your own. I'll just point. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good work. What do you notice about this last line? If you said that it's the same as the first line, you're correct. So we'll have the same rhythm again and notes on line 3. Let's try it once. Clap it and count the rhythm. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good work. Now let's go back up to the first line. Cuckoo starts on a so. I'm going to point and sing a pattern, then I'd like you to point and sing it back. Can you tell me what's happening right here? Is this note repeating or skipping down? Look at the note head. If you said skipping down, you're correct. We went from a space note to the next space down, which we call a skip down. So if this is so, the next note will be me. I'll sing it first, then you point and echo. So, me. Your turn. Point and sing. Good job. The next one does the same pattern again. So, me. Your turn. Good. Now, what can you tell me about these notes over here? What direction are they going? If you said that they are stepping down, you're correct. Can you point and say the line space pattern with me? Go. Line, space, line, space. Now it's my turn to sing the sol fa pattern, and then your turn. Fa, mi, re, do. Your turn. Good work. Okay, let's practice moving our fingers for cuckoo. Hold up your right hand with me. The first note of cuckoo is so. So we'll use our finger 5. My turn first. So, me. Your turn. And my turn. So, me. Your turn. My turn. Fa, mi, re, do. Your turn. Good. Now let's try it on the piano. Okay, let's put our right hand in the F major pentascale. Let's practice saying the notes of the F major pentascale together. We'll start with F. Here we go. F, G, A, B flat, C. Now let's come down starting on C. C, B flat, A, G, F. Good. One more time and singing the sol fa. Go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, I'll play a pattern from Cuckoo and then you echo. My turn first. So, mi, so, mi. Your turn. Good. Now, for the next pattern, our first note will be fa, and fa is on the black key, which is B flat. So here we go for the next pattern. Fa, mi, re, do. Your turn. Good. Now let's try it with the words. Sing and play along with me. Ready, go. Cuckoo, cuckoo, come fly with me. If you need more practice, just pause and practice that a few more times until you're ready to play it with me. Let's look at line 2 now. Take a look at our treble clef and see if you can tell me what letter name this line is starting on. If you said a G, you're correct. The first note of line 2 is a G. It's on the G line. Now, if we're in F position, G is a re, which will be played by finger 2. Now, let's say if the notes are stepping, skipping, or repeating together. We'll do 2 measures of notes. Ready? Try saying it with me and point. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Good. Let's try that one more time by yourself now. Ready? Go. Good job. Now let's go to this next group of notes. This time, instead of starting on a G, we start a step higher on A. Let's say the step, skip, repeat pattern for this next group of 2 measures. Ready? Go. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Now your turn by yourself. Good job. Did you notice anything similar about this pattern compared to this first pattern? That's right. It's the same pattern. We have a repeat, step up, skip down, just like we had a repeat, step up, skip down over here. The only difference is that it starts 1 note higher, on A this time instead of G. Now let's practice moving our fingers for this line. Hold up your right hand with me. Remember that since we have to play a G, we're going to start on finger 2. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Now your turn. Good. Now for Fly Above Treetops, we'll start on finger 3, which is playing an A. My turn first. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Your turn. Now I'll do it while singing the words. My turn first. Fly above rivers. Your turn. Now for Fly Above Treetops. We'll start on finger 3. Fly above treetops. Your turn. Good. Let's try it on the piano now. Okay, back in the F major pentascale, we'll start on finger 2. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Your turn. Good. Now we're going to start on finger 3. Start, repeat, step up, skip down. Your turn. Good. Now let's try it together while singing the words. Play along with me, starting on finger 2. Ready, go. Fly above rivers, fly above treetops. Good. Now we're ready for line 3, which you'll recall is the same as line 1. So let's try it together. Remember, we'll start on a so, mi. Ready, go. So, mi. Now a fa on the black key. Fa, mi, re, do. Good work. If you'd like to practice that on your own, press pause, then push play when you're ready to try the whole song with me, singing the words. Great, let's try Cuckoo from the beginning, the whole thing, and singing the words. Ready, go. Cuckoo, cuckoo, come fly with me. Fly above rivers, fly above treetops. Cuckoo, cuckoo, come fly with me. Good. Good work. Great job learning Cuckoo today. If you'd like to download the sheet music so you can look at it yourself at home, you can go to our website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.